Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. I just wanted to show you what we made, or what I made during Sunday's live with Themcraftygirls. So I was playing with my kscrafts banner die set, and this is the original banner die set that comes with the summer words, and you get a layering piece with this set, and then she has add-ons for the different seasons, and it does not come with the layer piece because if you purchase the summer, you get the layering piece. And then I pulled out these two holidays. One is Christmas and one is Halloween. Now it comes just like this. It does not come with this part, like I said. So you need this piece. If you don't, you could always just cut the edge here to create a layering piece, which I did before I got the summer layering pieces. So put that aside. I use these to cut out the background, and I use this little textured cardstock that I got from Louisa. And this is what it looks like. There's that layering piece. I think this one is the Halloween. I'm not sure. But at any holiday, you could use this, right? So here you go. I don't have the Valentine's banner yet. It's on order. I have not received it yet. So I just took what I have. I got the summer piece, and then I got the Halloween, and I created this banner. And you can see the multiple layers. So the background piece is this, and then I used some Walmart craft foam, which is this one right here, the purple, and then I layered some decorative cardstock, which is this pattern here. You can barely see the pattern, so I used that for the color. I also pulled out the kscrafts. This is the new die set, the cherries. I should have pulled it out. There we go. So this is the cherry die set, heart cherries. You get 3 sizes, and I used the smallest size to cut out the cherries, just for this particular project. So I layered the cherries with some foam, and I originally wanted to use the green to show up so it could pop off, but you know, I think that looks better. These little hearts here, those I recently hauled, and that's coming from Hobby Lobby, and you get the 3 colors. You get 90 pieces, so you get excuse me, you get 30 of each color. And it's got that foil, gold foil detail. So that's what I added on here. And then these are the new Valentine word set from kscrafts. Oh, let me see. Oh, here we go. And these are the words. I wrote it on here. You can barely see it. You get cute, babe, girl gang, moi, and February. So that's what I got on some of these flags. So this one, I just try to keep it a little simple, I guess. But I got some foam behind that. I got the Walmart foam again, the craft foam, and then Dollar Tree foam strips, which is this one right here. Okay, so the next one. This is a Dollar Tree felt craft kit, and I have several mixed up in here, but it comes like this. It has this little word, and there's several pieces in here. There's some arrows. There's one of these. This is also from Dollar Tree. All of this is from Dollar Tree. Even these hearts right here. The lock, the heart lock, and also this one. And that has a key with that set. So I just threw them all in here so I can just pull from the cup. There's another word from the the new release from this die set here. And then I added the cherries on that. This one I cut the foil. So I cut these two pieces originally, and then I just added one of the background banners. So it's really layered up like this, really nice. And you can see the difference, not foil, glitter. There's the pink glitter right there. Right there. And then you got that decorative cardstock with the designer paper on top. So that's another one. And then here's one with the arrow. It's, you know, just from that. This little XO is from a die set that it's a new release from kscrafts again. And so it's this one right here, the XOXO. And you could use it as a pennant like this. So it looks like that. But I took the negatives and I put it on here. Just like I did with this one. This one my daughter put together on the live with me. She kind of directed how to put it together. So there's another Hobby Lobby heart. It is the velvet. The velvet hearts, and then you have the XO cutouts from just this little pennant right here. I haven't used these yet, but I have a plans for those. Okay. And then this is the Hobby Lobby wax seals. And they look like this. Well, they're not wax seals. They're faux heart wax seals. And they're stickers. So they're ready to go. And that's all I did to this one. This one is the Halloween. A little Halloween pennant right there. Okay. All right. And then the last one, I just used the kisses like I showed you here. And these popped out. I just added the right there to the pennant or to the flag, whatever you want to call it. And I have the green on there. I love the green. So this one also has the glitter layer, the double layers, and then the other pennant. So I got 2 of those and 2 of these. So that's what this one looks like. I, you know, combined a bunch of the kscraft dies and her word shadows. These are just the other words that are from the recent release. The one that has cute, so this one's babe. Cute. Oh, I cut that out twice. So there you go. And then the February, that's part of the word set. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry this one's late. Yeah, just a little worn out. So anyway, this is going to be part of my submission for my swap for Patty, who's Mommy and Me Crafts. If you guys aren't following along, go check her out. She already shared an entry for her swap. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.